Welcome to local lectures. This is Dharmaji. Today our topic is Charles law. Charles law states that at constant pressure, the volume the volume occupied occupied by the ideal gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Its absolute temperature. At absolute temperature. That means at constant pressure, here pressure is absolute pressure of the perfect gas is constant. At constant pressure, the volume occupied by the ideal gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That means the volume occupied by the ideal gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the ideal gas. So it is mathematically represented as V is directly proportional to T. It means V by T is always constant. V by T is always constant. According to Charles law, at constant pressure, at constant pressure, the volume occupied by the perfect gas is directly proportional to the its absolute temperature. That means the ratio between the volume occupied by the perfect gas and its absolute temperature is always constant. That means, for example, if the state of the perfect gas changes from its initial state, from state 1 to state 2, that means initial state to final state, in these both states the ratio between volume and its absolute temperature is always constant. So, for the better understand, I need to draw PV diagram for the Charles law. The absolute pressure of the ideal gas on the y-axis, the volume occupied by the ideal gas on the x-axis. According to Charles law, the pressure is constant. That means at a constant pressure. So constant pressure means, for example, I consider the state of the system as that is state 1. At state 1, at initial state, the properties of the system is pressure of the absolute pressure of the ideal gas at initial state is P1 and volume occupied by the ideal gas is V1. So at a constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to temperature. That means throughout the initial state and final state, the pressure of the ideal gas is constant. So if the state of the ideal gas changes from state 1 to state 2, the absolute pressure of the ideal gas is constant. So at constant pressure, the system changes its properties from state 1 to state 2. At constant pressure. Here the properties of the system at state 2 is P2. That means P1 is equal to P2. P1 is equal to P2. At state 2, the volume of the substance or the volume of the ideal gas is V2. The shape of the path is depend on the equation of the Charles law. Here P is equal to constant. P is equal to constant represents the equation as linear equation. The shape of the linear equation is straight line. So the path of the Charles law is straight line. Why? Because this is P is equal to constant. So the system changes its properties from state 1 to state 2 by following the linear path. So according to Charles law, V by T is equal to constant. That means at state 1 and at state 2, this ratio is constant. That means at state 1, V1 by T1. That means at state 1, the volume occupied by the perfect gas at state 1 is V1. T1 is absolute temperature of the ideal gas at state 1 is always equal to V2 by T2.
The animated video displayed on the board consists pressure gas and temperature gas. The volume of the ideal gas varies proportional to its temperature. To maintain constant pressure during heat supply is called Charles law.